To get the Bovada app, start by visiting the Bovada website using your mobile device's web browser. Once you are on the website, click on the Join Now button to create an account if you do not already have one. Fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your name, email address, and date of birth. After completing the registration form, verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Bovada. This will activate your account and allow you to log in to the website. To download the Bovada app, scroll down to the bottom of the website and click on the mobile betting button. This will take you to a page with links to download the app for both Android and iOS devices. For Android devices, click on the Download for Android button and follow the prompts to install the app. For iOS devices, click on the Download on the App Store button and install the app from the App Store. Once the app is installed, log in to the app using your email address and password. You can then browse through the various betting options and games available on the app, including sports betting, casino games, and poker. Make sure to check the terms and conditions of the app, as well as any promotions or bonuses that may be available to new users. It is also important to ensure that your device meets the system requirements for the app, including the minimum operating system version and available storage space. By following these steps, you can easily download and install the Bovada app on your mobile device and start enjoying the various betting options and games available.